My name's Anthony Gorospe, and what drew me to law was when I graduated from college at OU, I got just a job at a corporation. I didn't really enjoy it, and so I was wondering what field I could get into where I could do a broad range of help for folks and for companies or whatever I might have gotten into. So I applied to TU Law School and started there. At TU, I worked for a few law firms. I also was very active in the moot court and trial competitions and found out that I really enjoyed that. And so out of TU Law School, I went and worked for the Tulsa County District Attorney's Office as an assistant district attorney, where I represented the state of Oklahoma against folks that are charged with crimes. And I enjoyed that because I was in court all the time. I got to meet the judges and a bunch of other attorneys, and it was a really great job right out of law school and being really young. And then afterwards, I ended up getting a job with the law firm that I interned with in law school. It's a large law firm here in Tulsa that represented companies, mostly insurance companies. They would represent State Farm, Allstate, physicians that got sued by folks claiming medical negligence. And I did that for a little while. It wasn't really my thing. I knew I didn't want to make a career out of that. And so I made the decision around 2008 to start representing people. And that's what I've been doing ever since. The reason I enjoy representing people as opposed to representing the corporations or the insurance companies is you get to know somebody and a person. They're not just a file, okay? It's not just a bunch of documents on a desk. This is a human being who has an issue and needs to be dealt with. And my help a lot of times gets them to the place they need to go after something pretty bad has happened to them. I didn't enjoy representing the companies that my clients now make claims against because it's a little bit cold. It's an unfair playing field. These insurance adjusters do this every single day of their life, and this very well could be, like many of my clients, the first car wreck or first insurance claim they've ever gone through in their life. These adjusters, and I'm not saying anything bad about them, but they're not there to give advice or counsel to the people that are claiming against their insurance company. They're there to save their insurance company money. And so I would say the first thing that someone needs to do is to hire an attorney and get excellent advice. I do like being the David versus the Goliath. And that's what we are. This is Gorospe Law Group. We have a house that was built in 1920 on Cherry Street here in Tulsa. There's our staff of 4 and myself. And we go up against the names that you see on every college football Saturday that sponsor everything. And we're happy to do it. We do it every single day, over and over again for our clients. When you take out the big guy, it feels pretty good.